So people, let's floor it here. Just look at this, people. Hello people, I'm Moscarblog and this is the Audi S8. Today I'm gonna review this car and show you the exterior, show you the interior and take it out for a drive. The Audi S8 is a little bit of a controversial one since people tend to rather get the Rs6 and stuff like that, since that car is already really luxurious. But this thing here, it's absolutely amazing. It's basically, like I've mentioned, it's got that 4.0 V8 we all love. It's producing 571 horsepower in this year, 800 Newton meters of torque, and was just combined with so much luxury. There's even a Comfort Plus mode in this car, and I think this makes it really good, and I think I would prefer it over something like an Rs6. Not looks wise, but driving wise definitely, and today I will prove it to you. We've got the digital matrix LED lights on this one, and they make such a cool animation from the front and from the back. Just check this out. I think these lights look so good, and sadly I cannot test them at night, but still, just look at them. Also, like on the SQ5, we've got the clean looking chrome grille and the sensors hidden here on the right and on the left, which I think is a really good solution to hide the sensors. Because look at that grille, it looks so clean. Little S8 badge there, the 4.0 V8 bi-turbo hiding under this bonnet, 571 horsepower and 800 Newton meters, an 8-speed automatic transmission. And just check out these wheels. I think they look proper amazing, these wheels. We got 265 tires and 21-inch rims on this thing, and the matte silver goes through the whole car. Check out these mirrors, they look like Silver Surfer, absolutely amazing. And I think this car just looks amazing. Honestly, it's so long while still maintaining it. It's so luxurious and sporty at the same time. I can understand why Jason Statham always took an Audi S8, because this thing is just it. Moving on to the back of the beautiful Audi S8, as you can see, it's just so massive. And check out this light animation from the back of it, because from the back I think it even looks better than from the front. Just look at this. Wow, it looks so good. We actually have 4 completely real tailpipes on this Audi S8. Check this out. They are completely real. There is nothing. There is no diffuser or anything. Those are the real pipes, and I think it looks amazing on this car. It suits it so much. Just check this beautiful thing out, ladies and gentlemen. I love the Audi S8, and it's just an amazing car. Check this out, people. At this amazing location of Audi, I found some stairs next to my S8, and let's unlock it from here and have a look at it here. Oh man, this looks amazing. It's just so futuristic. I know it's old, this light animation thing. They are doing it for a couple of years, but it's still so futuristic. The color is called Ultra Blue Metallic, by the way. And let's now move on to the inside, because that looks absolutely amazing. A cream white, beautiful interior with full options. So people, come check this out. Just look at that door card of the Audi S8. Just look at that. We have the design selection badge here with like a beautiful Alcantara, leather, carbon fiber, beautiful piano black, all buttons here in aluminum. It just looks so amazing. Beautiful carbon fiber here, a little thing to store some stuff, and the Bang & Olufsen boxes, which look so good when you turn the car on and get them out. Also, people, check out these beautiful seats. Look at them, so large and so much leather on them. A beautiful perforation as well. Looks so good. Massaged, heated and ventilated, of course. Just check this out. The Audi S8 is truly one of the best daily driver or autobahn cars you can get in the world. Let's jump inside. So people, on the inside of the beautiful Audi S8. Wow. Let's shut that door here and close the windows so we get that sound deadening of these beautiful windows. And let's check this out. We've got the beautiful Audi steering wheel, the same one from the Audi R6, the S-Line steering wheel, but it's way more luxurious here. We've got stitchings on the horn and a better leather quality, in my opinion. We've got the full leather package up here, a beautiful Alcantara roofliner. It looks like a white roof, but it's like a white Alcantara, and that makes it absolutely amazing feeling and looking. We've got our black buttons here. These are our memory seats, the black buttons. And the ventilation have like a really cool movement or animation when you turn off the ignition or shut it down. Look at this, when you turn it on or turn it off. Look at them now. It will shut, they will go inside, and then there will come some carbon and shut it off, so we have a cleaner look here. Doesn't that look super cool? Let's turn it on again. Look at that beautiful gauge cluster. It's basically the same from the Audi R6 that goes up, and look at this here. We also can change it to that one, and then it moves like that, and there's our speed. That's also interesting, but I think I will keep it in that one since that looks cleaner and is easier to understand, most likely. Look at this here, beautiful Quattro badge. These seats are so luxurious, I just love it. Check this out here, carbon shifter, also super nice touch. Ambient lighting everywhere. We've got the ambient lighting package booked on this car, so we have even more. Just look at this. If we now go to the car and then we go to the light settings, where are the light settings here? And then we go to ambient light. Look at this. There is just so many things to choose from. We can put them in orange, we can put them in, what's that, red here, and we can make it all the way up. We can change it to a beautiful blue, as you can see here. Sorry that I didn't show you. We got a lot of options here. And of course, we can individualize it with all colors we can imagine. Look at this. All the colors we can imagine. We can just set it here. Let's put purple. So I've put purple now to my secondary color down here. So yeah, people, as I've mentioned, all possible ambient lightings in here. Everything you could imagine in a car is in here, because this is the S8, the ultimate Audi you have. We have literally anything in here, and we have our drive select, and that's pretty interesting because I've already put it there. Comfort Plus. Comfort Plus. I'm more hyped about Comfort Plus than Dynamic, for example. Now it's getting also down, as you can see here. The Comfort Plus, how comfortable does it have to be? But as you can see, we don't have any other comfort option. We have Efficiency, Auto, Dynamic, and Comfort Plus. So there is only a Comfort Plus. And Audi is drawing a bad road here. Could you see this? Dynamic is like a racetrack and Comfort Plus is like a bumpy road. So I suggest that this will be the bumpy road mode, like in a Ferrari. Look at the seats here, everything, you could customize everything. Also in the back. Let's jump in the back and then show you the back, and after that take it out for a drive. Check this out, people. This is the rear of the Audi S8. I have two modes for my seat. I could lay down a little bit. This is not completely, but it's way more comfortable, and I can make it like in the seating positions, which is now. We have our beautiful blindfolds here. And look at this, people. I really like this. You could have this as a 5-seater, 3 seats in the back, like this. Or if there's only 2 people or 1 person, you could fold this down here, and then we get a beautiful control. Electrical for our seats. I'm now moving forward like this. I'm now moving back. And if we press that button, we can change everything. Heated seat. We can go into the light settings. We could change, I think we could even change the ambient lighting from back here. Just look at this. And now, yeah, I'm changing the ambient lighting here from the back. Look how cool this looks. Oh, wow. So people, let's now go to the front and take it out for a drive. So people, let's start driving the Audi S8. I'm now on the Autobahn in the Comfort Plus, and I've noticed that this car, when I'm driving normally like 80 and I'm just gliding, it will shut off 4 cylinders, and we will only drive on 4 cylinders, so it will save fuel. And I think on the long term, this will be actually pretty good. You will get some decent savings. The suspension in the Comfort Plus is just a love story. Look at this street here. I'm not feeling anything. It's so well dimmed, this car. It's just I love these sporty luxury vehicles. I just love them. And the Audi S8 is clearly one of them. It's such a good car, the Audi S8. It's absolutely lovely to drive. And I can't wait to test out the performance for us. So stay tuned for that. So people, what I've also noticed is that this car feels way smaller than it actually is. This is because we have a rear wheel steering setup, and it's really good working. 4-cylinder mode is now active, saving a lot of fuel currently. It's just going down. Don't worry, because the consumption is so high. That was because when I was inside of the hall where I reviewed it, I was letting the engine run, I was turning around, and this is how you see the big consumption here of 29 liters. But it will go down now with normal driving. And yeah, this car is honestly, it surprised me a lot. I can change here the view like I've told you, and then it looks like this basically. We still have the RPM, this is our speed, and this is our consumption right in the center, and we can change what we see here. They basically, I like this a lot, where we can see how fast we are allowed to go. And yeah, but let's change it to that one, because even there we can change around and have a look at this here, which I really like. That looks super nice. Well, as I've mentioned to you, the Comfort Plus suspension is so well. As you can see here, the street is not the best, and it's just gliding over it. I'm not feeling literally anything. I just know it's there because I see it. I'm feeling a little bit, but that's it. There's nothing serious. And the S8 is so comfortable. Whilst it has the sporty aspect with 571 horsepower from a 4.0 V8 that's in the Lamborghini Urus, in the Porsche Panamera, in the Bentleys, in the Audi Rs6, it has that engine, but it still has that comfort and that luxury aspect, which I really love about the Audi S8.
Jetzt links abbiegen.
So people, we are now on a little bit of a stretchy road, a little beautiful road here for not a car like the S8. I would rather have something like a Huracan STO up here or something like this, but still that big ship is doing a great job. Despite us only having the steel brakes, boy, it moves so good. Gotta brake here because that corner. That car is doing a great job, honestly, ladies and gentlemen. So people, the Audi S8 is way sportier than I expected it to be. Of course, the Audi S8 is still a big boat. That's undeniable that it's big and it's not the sportiest feeling, but wow, that thing just performed on that little twisty road. That was super good, and that wasn't even reaching its maximum abilities because I didn't hear tires screeching or anything. So luxurious and sporty at the same time. It's just lovely, this Audi S8, ladies and gentlemen. So dynamic. I could see why Jason Statham always got this car. Boy, that was close. There's another little twisty road here now. Let's listen to that thing here with the windows opened. What a sound this has. It's really softened down. You could hear it. It could be so much more louder. And the potential is absolutely there. This could be as loud as the Lamborghini Urus Performante. The question is just, do you want this in an S8? But still, I think it has the right sound for this kind of car. I think it sounds super nice. You don't need more in a car like this. What a pull this has. Let's change the view here and drive with this here a little bit. Such a well-handling car, ladies and gentlemen. Honestly, for that weight and for that size, unbelievable. So people, let's listen to the Audi S8 here under this bridge here in the first gear. Let's see what will come. Yes. Let's lock it into the manual now. Now it won't auto shift up or down because I've locked it now. I've put it to the right. Look, full throttle. Oh, it will still. Wow. On the other cars, it didn't auto downshift. So this thing always auto downshifts, but does it always auto upshift? I'm curious. Let's see. Yeah, it also auto upshifts. There is literally no point in putting it into manual. You basically just press the pedals. So people, the Audi S8 is just nearly as sporty, as classy as it is, and I think it's just such a great vehicle. Also in this paint, that ultra blue metallic looks so nice, and the sound it has. Also the steering is super cool. It feels way smaller than it actually is. It's unbelievable, this steering here. So people, let's floor it here. Wow. So people, I hope you enjoyed this review of the Audi S8, and I hope I will see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.